Hi. Last time we talked about the importance of using pausing to support processing of language and to provide more opportunities for communication to take place. Today's top tip for communication is use visuals. When I say visuals, I'm referring to the use of real objects, photographs, symbols, and the written word, amongst other things. We use visuals to support our children's understanding of language, as well as providing those who are pre-verbal with a form to express themselves. I often get asked questions like, will the use of visuals prevent my child from speaking? I want to reassure you that it's actually quite the opposite. Using visuals actually helps to develop speech if it's going to develop, and also gives an individual the means to express themselves non-verbally in the meantime. So take a look at this diagram. The diagram shows the development children pass through to understand different types of visuals. Understanding real objects is the earliest and most accessible level. Then we move to understand photos as representing something that may or may not be physically present. So for instance, a photograph of the iPad can represent the iPad, whether I can see the iPad or not. The symbols are more difficult as they are more abstract, and then the final stage is the written word. Even us neurotypical adults use visuals all the time to support us or to speed up our understanding, memory, and processing skills. They might range from street signs to to-do lists to calendars to complex DIY diagrams. Take a look at this. Can you figure out what all of these words mean? What about now? Is it easier when we add visuals to support? Yes, it is, isn't it? Many people with autism learn more easily when visuals are used. At school, our core set of visuals includes objects of reference, a core vocabulary of key symbols, visual timetables, language boards to support communication in sentences, symbols and photos to make choices. Some of the other benefits to using visuals are that they are clear, easy to understand, they keep language simple, and they keep communication consistent from one person to another and from one setting to another. For example, a child may learn how to request a drink by using a photograph, which can be used in both school, respite, and home settings, and with a number of different people, rather than each person having to individually identify and interpret what that child is asking for through behaviour. Next time, we'll have a look at visuals and how we use them to make choices. In the meantime, do contact me or your class teacher if you would like some visuals to be sent home.